If you're hearing weird noises coming from your AirPods Pro, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you some simple steps to troubleshoot and fix those annoying sounds. Let's dive in. First, make sure there's no dirt or debris in the speaker openings of your AirPods Pro. Sometimes small particles can interfere with sound quality. Use a soft brush or a dry cloth to clean the mesh and charging contacts. Be gentle to avoid damaging the components. Ensure that your AirPods Pro fit properly and create a good seal in your ears. An improper fit can cause audio issues and discomfort. Try using the different sized ear tips included with your AirPods Pro to find the best fit. You can also use the AirTip Fit Test in the Settings app. To use the AirTip Fit Test, go to Settings, then tap on Bluetooth and tap on the info icon next to your AirPods Pro. Then select AirTip Fit Test and follow the instructions. Also, outdated firmware can sometimes cause issues. Make sure your AirPods Pro are running the latest firmware. Firmware updates are installed automatically when your AirPods Pro are connected to your iPhone. Now, if you're still experiencing issues, try restarting your AirPods Pro. This can often resolve persistent problems. To reset, first place your AirPods Pro in the charging case and open the lid. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber, then white. Reconnect your AirPods Pro to your iPhone and test to see if the issue is resolved. And that's it. Hopefully these steps help to get rid of that weird noise on your AirPods Pro.